Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of with app you click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Wizz and we click. In this page here of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter the storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.